side of my face the dark foundation, and another side my regular foundation, just so you can see how everything merges together at the end. So after mixing a little bit of this and a little bit of this is what I got. Ah, still very dark. But I guess we're gonna work with this. So I'm going to apply this all over my face, all over this side of my face. I'm not even going to wipe all this off. It's all part of the experience. So for the other side of my face, I like to use the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. This is actually my foundation shade. Let's go. I'm going to zoom out a little so that you all can see my face compared to my chest, and you'll know which one is better, a better match. All right, so this is the comparison between my face and my chest. So which one do you think is the better match? So the main goal of correcting your dark foundation is using concealer. Concealer is your best friend. Concealer is your baby. Like when concealing underneath your eyes, you add two shades lighter than your skin. But when your foundation is darker, you use 3 to 4 shades of concealer lighter than your skin. The lighter the concealer, the better. And there is no need for you to contour, because those places that you are meant to contour, you just leave them like that. The foundation will serve as a contour for you. So you apply your concealer underneath your eyes to cut your jawline, in your forehead, along your nose, like all the places you apply your concealer, apply them. So for concealer, I'm actually going to be using this concealer. I know it looks so white. I'm going to be mixing it with this one, like these two together, and let's just apply. Immediately. Then I'll also apply to the side. All right. I know it's crazy. This is what this side of my face is looking like. So for this side, I'll apply my regular concealer. And I'm just gonna blend it out. You don't need to see how I blend it out, because so this is me after blending everything out. I know I look crazy right now. This side you don't need to contour because the foundation already did that for you. So for this side, I'm going to contour using one of those foundations. Please forgive the noise of this dog, please. Just try to process. I'm going to set my entire face using regular face powder because I want to bake. Is my face looking real different now? So now I'm going to dust off the excess powder. I'm going to set my contours with powder. So for contour powder, I'm going to be using the James Charles Artistry palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here. This one, it's beautiful. On this eye. This is enough. I don't want it too much. As at this point, I guess you can clearly see that all of my face look the same. If you can't see that, then you have a problem. I'm going to dust up this nose baking. But I put the other one. Now my face is very powdery. To take some of the powder away, I'm going to be setting my face. Yeah. Right, to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the highlighter in the James Charles palette. This one, it's all right. Come on, come on. So guys, this is me finally. Did everything unify? Of course it did. There's no difference between this side and this side. You can't even tell which side was dark at the beginning and which side is light now. Everything just blended if well. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, follow me on all of my social media, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. I want to finish up this look in another video.